Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. This is number 5 of our 7-part series on tips for aspiring Forex traders. The topic for this session is how to choose and choosing a Forex broker. Now, there are many good brokers out there, and they all do things just a little bit different, but the main thing is they'll get the job done for you. But you need to do your homework and research. Now, a couple of things: choose a broker that feels good to you and that gives you the support you need for the way you like to be treated. Talk to many brokers, and sometimes the broker itself may be okay. One of their employees may not be representing them in the proper light, so then you might ask for a different client service rep or hang up and call back. If you get quite a few client service people that are not polite, or you don't like the way you've been treated, then maybe that broker is not for you, even though the broker itself is probably okay. Those are just a few things, because you do have to call and talk to them once in a while and get your questions answered. Here we've gone to a site that helps to evaluate the Forex brokers, and you see their address listed here on the screen. So you click on where it says to go to the brokers, and then you'll see get to this page. But the main thing is the first few are advertised. Anything that's in this green background is an advertised broker, and that's okay. And then here's all the rest of the brokers. This does not mean that these brokers are any better or worse than the ones that are advertising. It's just that they're paying for the right to be at the top of the list. And you can sort it by this line. You can sort it by name, so it goes alphabetical. You can sort by their rating. You can sort by the account size that they might offer. And I've sorted this by name. So you can scroll down and get to the accounts, and you can see what they're doing. So here's the amount that it takes to open an account, the dollar amount, and their rating, what size their lot size. Now, one thing I've noticed as I've dealt with a few of these brokers, the size of the lots that they offer is different than being portrayed here. That's why once you find a few that you like, call them up and ask them the questions. What size lots do you trade with? Some will give you better lots than others. You notice that some are 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, and that's the size of the lot. So you need to call and ask them about that. The other important factor is the leverage. You'll notice that they're 1 to 100, 1 to 500, 1 to 400, 1 to 50. Generally, when you see one that says it's 1 to 50, that is a U.S. broker. Anyone around the world can open an account with one of these brokers, but only the U.S. traders are only able to open an account with a U.S. broker at this point. Now, I want to say a little more about the leverage, in that we've gotten used to trading with 1 to 50. When I first started trading, 1 to 200 was prevalent. Many trader companies started opening it up to 1 to 500, 1 to 400 leverage. The leverage that I feel comfortable with is 1 to 200. That's as high as you go. 1 to 200, 1 to 100, 1 to 50. You can trade with any of those, and so that's what you need to decide. But I wouldn't, even if the broker offers 1 to 400 leverage, don't trade any more than 1 to 200. I've seen many traders get in trouble, because with 1 to 400 you can trade so much of your account that you can lose it all very quickly. 1 to 200 seems to be adequate if you use proper money management. But once you've narrowed it down to a handful of brokers, then give them a call. Then make sure that they have a free demo account that you can trade with. There are so many brokers out there that have a free MetaTrader 4 demo account that you definitely need to make sure you have one that's not going to be charging you for that, and then have the free data feed as well. Then make sure you can trade on their demo account, how long their demo accounts last. Some of the brokers will have a demo account that lasts for a certain number of days. They might say a month. After a month, then you have to open a new demo account, or you have to call back and ask them to get it. There are brokers that will let you open as many demo accounts, and they'll only expire if you quit trading them. As long as you're trading them and there's still money left in that demo account, then you can keep on trading. If you run out of money, then you can just open up a new demo account. You don't have to call and ask them, you just open them up. And those kind of brokers would be the easiest to work with in the beginning. And then the other thing is what size of an account. Some of the brokers require too much money, in my opinion, to start the trading account. We recommend between $1,000 and $1,500 is the range. If you open one for like $500, then you can still trade, but you're trading very small amounts of money. So $1,000 to $1,500 is what you should put in it, no matter what their level is. But don't choose one that minimum requirement would be $10,000 or even $2,000. You need $1,000 to $1,500 is the range that we recommend. And you watch our other videos, you'll understand why. So I hope this is a help to you on choosing a broker. So we encourage you to do your research, and happy broker hunting.